Ev3, and today we'll be talking about downloading and uploading files in Ev3 and in LEGO Mindstorms. And let's head over to the next slide to learn more about this. So first off, what is downloading? Downloading is adding a file to the brick from your computer. And for example, the Pixel Plotter project requires that an image file is to be downloaded in addition to the Ev3 code. And this is what downloading is. However, on the other side, uploading is adding a file from the brick to your computer. So in most ways, it is the opposite of downloading. And for example, you want to see what was recorded in a text file, and that is what uploading is. That's uploading and downloading files. And this is how you download a file. So you open up the LEGO Mindstorms Ev3 app on your computer, and then you go to Tools, and then you select Memory Browser. And then once that is open, select the folder for the project you want the file added to, and then select Download. That is how you download a file. And here's downloading a file continued. So pick the file from your computer that you want to add to the brick. And in this example, the file fox.rtf is being selected, as you see right here. And you can now see that fox.rtf is on the brick, like so, right here. And that is downloading a file. And uploading a file is very similar. You open up the app, go to Tools, Memory Browser, and then you select the item inside the folder that you want to upload to your computer. And instead of selecting download, you select upload. And then uploading a file continued is saving the file to your computer, and you can save it as any name you want, and you can do it like so. And that has been all for today. It's been BuilderBro07. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. That truly means a lot to me, and you do not know how much it would help me out a lot. And as always, have a great rest of your day. Build on, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye, and peace out.